Hi, a very warm welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will touch base on changing the background color, setting the background, creating pages, setting navigation for pages using icons, and setting navigation for pages using buttons. So the first and foremost thing that we are going to learn in today's video is how to change the background color of our canvas. So as you know that this white area where we are working and we create our dashboard using the visuals is known as canvas. And by default, the color of this canvas is white. Now we want to change the color of the canvas. So what we will do is we will straightway go in the visualization pane. We will go to format and we will go to canvas background. In this canvas background, here we will select the color that we want to give to our canvas. So whichever color you want, you can simply select that color. But right now the color of this canvas is not changing. Why? Because this transparency is at 100%. The moment you will reduce it to 0%, the color of your canvas will change. The background color of your canvas will change. By sliding this or by adjusting the value of transparency, you can create different shades of the color that you have selected, and you can set the value of transparency at the required value so that you get the desired background color for your canvas. So this is how you can change the color of the background. Now, instead of giving a color to my background of canvas, I want to use some image. Okay. So in order to change the background using an image, what we will do is again, in the same panel only, there is an option called image. We will click on this image and then we will go to that particular folder where we have saved our background. So here I have saved two backgrounds, background 1 and background 2. So whichever background I want, I can simply select that image and click on open. And the background for my canvas has changed. If you want, you can change it again. Let's select another image. This time we will select this image. And you can see the background of your picture has again changed. Now, say for example, let me insert, I have inserted this image just to show you the clear background. Now, if you want to change the background again, we can go here, change, and now we will select the other background, which was the blue one. So now you can see that background one has come into picture. Again, here also you can change the transparency to highlight the background or to change the uh, prominence of the background image. At times, you may land up in a situation whereby, in this case, what happened, the image that we selected that covered the entire background. So we never had to do any setting in regard to image fit. Let me show you one more example. If we go to this and say, for example, we select this background one. Okay. Now you see this image. Oops, sorry. Now you can see that this image is not big enough, right? It is not covering the entire background. It is just covering a part of your background. So now how to do the setting? What we will do is we will go to image fit, click on the drop down arrow, and then we will select option fit. Now you can see that this image, which was earlier not covering the entire background, has started covering the entire background. So this is how you can change the color of the background, or you can use a image in the background of your report. The next topic that we are going to cover in today's session is about how to creating pages. So creating pages in Power BI is really very easy. All that you need to do is keep clicking on this plus sign and it will keep adding pages to your report. If you want to delete any of the page, you simply need to click on this cross button. It will prompt you, because at times what happens is when you are working, inevitably we have clicked on the cross button. So just to give you another chance, or to give you a protection against accidentally deleting a page from your report, it will prompt you and it will ask you a question that do you really want to delete it. Now if you will click on delete, that page is gone. And here if you will click on cancel, the process of deleting the page from your report will stop. So this is how you can add or delete page. Now, page 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how the pages are numbered by default. Now, what I have on page number 2, what I have on page number 3, 4, or what is there on page number 1. When there are multiple pages in the report, it would be very difficult for you to understand. So here, what we can do is we can give a meaningful name, or we can give such a name to the page, so that by looking at the name of the page, one can understand that what content is there on that particular page. So in order to rename the page, what we can do is we have two options. Select the page, right click, and then from the drop down list, select the option rename. And then you can give the name that whatever you want to give to that particular page. Say for example, here we want to give a name called dashboard. And once you have keyed in the name that you want to give to that particular page, just press enter. Or the other way is simply double click on the name, it will become editable, and then you can again type in the name, whatever you want to give to whatever name you want to give to that particular page. Here we will give trends, press enter. At times, we may land up in a situation whereby we have already created a page, everything is done. Say, for example, a page like this, you have created a background and everything, and you just want to use this page again for some other purpose. So what we will do is, again, we will right click and then we will click on duplicate. So now you can see we have two pages by the name of page 1 and duplicate of page 1. If you this page you have created, but right now you don't want to use it, you may be using it at a later stage. So what you can do is you can even hide this page. So when you will share the report, nobody else will be able to see this particular page. Only the author will be able to see this page. If you want to move the page, that means you want this page dashboard, you want to bring it as first page of your report. What you can do is simply right click, move to, now to which side you want to move to front. This report has come sorry, this page has come to the as the first page of the report. Move to end, this page has come to last, or this page has been rearranged as the last page of the report. If you want to move it one place left or one place right, you can move it sorry, we don't have anything here, so we can't move it to right, we will move it to left. Now you can move it either to left or right, because there are pages on both the sides, that is left hand side as well as on the right hand side. So this is something how you can play around with the pages in Power BI. Now we will talk about how to navigate between the pages using icons. So for using icons or for navigating through the pages using icons, what we will have to do is we will go to the insert menu and then we will go to image and then we will select the particular icon that we want. So sorry. So here we have an icon which says dashboard and we will click on open. So this icon has come. Now what I will do is I will just do the setting for this icon. Now my icon is ready. What I will do is I will select the icon, and after selecting the icon in the formatting image, there is one option called action. Right now this action is deactivated. First of all, we will activate this option. That is, action option is now activated for this particular icon. Still, the work is not complete. We have just switched on the action or we have just activated the action. Now we actually will do the setting that what action we want this icon to perform for us. So what we will do is we will go to action. What type of action we want? We want page navigation. Means we are going to use this icon to move from one page to another page. So we have selected page navigation. Now we will select, we need to assign a destination. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages in this particular report. So out of these 4 pages, to which particular page we want uh, to navigate, that is what we will define here. So in destination, we will select dashboard and we are done. So now when you will hover your pointer of the mouse over this icon or this button, this icon, what will happen is it will start giving you a tooltip. Control plus click here to follow the link. So if you will simply click on it, nothing will happen. It will just select the icon and the options attached to or options available for this particular icon will start getting selected for you. But if you want to actually follow this link and go to the desired destination, you will have to press the control key and then click. The moment you will click on it, it has brought you to dashboard. Let me explain you again how to use icons. So on this page, now we have come to the dashboard. Now we want to go back onto our first page. So what we will do is again, we will bring an icon. This is a home icon. Click OK. Resize the icon as required and place it wherever you want. Now go to format image again. Action open. Action. Type. Page navigation. None. Page 1. And we are done. Now again press Control and the moment you will click on this, you are back on page number 1. This is how you can navigate between the pages using icons. If you are not finding a suitable icon that you want to use, you can create your own buttons. For creating your buttons, what we will do is we will go to shape within insert menu, select any shape that you want. So for example, let's use this hexagon. So this hexagon is created. We will just do the settings as we need it. We will now what we will do is the button, the shape is used, and we can go to formatting shape, and then we can switch on the action. We can decide where it should go. So for example, again, we will say page navigation, and in destination, we will select trends, and we are done. Now, if I'll click on this, it will take me to trends. But I have a problem here. The problem is it is not clear that for which particular purpose this button is. So what I will have to do is I will click on insert text. Then I will write whatever um, I want, whatever message I want to type, say trends, select it, increase the font size, then let's change it, let's adjust the size, and let's brought it, let's bring it to the right position. Now, one can clearly see that there are two different elements here. So to mix up the elements, what we will do is we will select the text box. We will go to the formatting, and in formatting, we will go to effects, and in transparency, we will bring the transparency to 100%. Now, this is looking like one combined element. So what we can do is now our button is ready. You can click, you can press control button and click anywhere and it will take you to the trends. Now on dashboard, we have created a icon that is home icon. We can simply copy it and we can paste it here. And if I will use this icon, it will again perform in the same way. So what I'm trying to tell you here is if you have created an icon already, you have defined the navigation for that. And if you want to use the same icon to perform the same task on some different page, then you can simply copy and paste it there and the icon will start behaving the same manner. Let me show it again. I am on dashboard. I'll click on dashboard. This is the icon that we created here. Again, I'll press control and click on this. Again, I'm back on page number 1. Now I click on control and click on this icon. Now I have go to trends. This icon we have simply copied and pasted from dashboard. Now again, I'll press control and click on this. Again, I'm back on page number 1. So this is how you can navigate between the pages using icons and buttons. Hope you like this session. Stay tuned in and watch out for our next video. Thank you.